Good morning. Saturday. We're going to hopefully sell the rally car. Everything works out according to plan. This guy doesn't flake out on me. Driving almost 4 hours to Rockford, Illinois to meet this guy. Oh, gotta tell it out. Better try to fix that real quick. Yeah. And if it all works out, I'm going to try to stop and make purchase a new dirt scooter on the way back. We'll see. See what time allows, but yeah, it's kind of a sad day. I put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into that rally car. I absolutely had a blast doing it. Met some amazing people doing it. Rally's an awesome sport. It's really, really expensive, and it's with the way the United States is set up, you got to have a lot of money to try to chase any kind of championship. Again, it's just the way it goes. I'm not complaining, but that's what it is. But yeah, we're gonna go try to sell this beast. Here we go. So we just got here to Rockford a little bit ago. Here's the Cherry Vale Mall. Say goodbye to the rally car, hopefully for the last time. Again, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty upset over it. I seriously can't emphasize how much blood, sweat, and tears I put into this. Plus, I had help from friends along the way, and it wasn't an easy decision to make. But I can always build another one. And right now the KTM's calling my name, so you gotta live for the now. So I'll definitely probably not done rallying. We'll build another one at some point. Who knows? Maybe go rear-wheel drive. Build an actual gravel machine gun. But yeah, this is you guys should be here anytime. So hope we get this thing unloaded and head back to town soon. See you after a bit. What's going on? Rally car's officially gone. We're headed back towards Greenup, southwards. Got money in my pocket. Just trying to find the best deal on the old Kentucky trash machine now. So I don't know. I mean, that's the plan I had is not working out like I'd hoped, but still plenty early on a Saturday. We got plenty of time to try to make purchase one sometime, so we'll get one bought here sooner than later and go from there. So I don't know what the rest of the week is going to hold. We'll just probably do some cycling and see what happens. So here we go. Almost made it home, but I had to stop. I did a thing. You ready to see the thing? Oh! Now we can do some serious training. Look at it one more time. One more time. Good morning. It's August 4th on Sunday. It's out here doing a little single track trail clearing. Got the Roxy Doodlebug, whatever you gonna call her. She really doesn't have a set name. Yeah, it's I was out here earlier this morning, cleared a little bit. Had to go eat breakfast with the family. My wife leaves for Mexico this afternoon, so yeah, I'm that husband. She leaves for Mexico, and I'm out here playing in the woods. That's the way she goes. I can't, gotta do. Man's got to do what a man does. So yeah, it's out here fighting these ridiculous spider webs. This is leading back to the shooting range, so trying to avoid that. I really don't want to be riding where there's a bunch of sharp jacketed projectiles to be roosting on friends and foe. But yeah, here we go. Make a little trail clearing montage and probably do some cycling later with the gang. Again, my buddy Dustin, he got him a new gravel bike this week. My friend Ted got him a gravel bike this week, so I don't know, hopefully get a few more people on the bicycles and get a few more people out on the dirt scoots eventually. Get a little cycle gang going. That's that's how it starts, man. Again, we're just out here to have fun. That's the main thing. I'm old enough. I don't want to do a bunch of competitive crap all the time. Again, I'm competitive. I like to have fun. Ah, spiderweb, crap. Ah. Yeah, I like to be competitive and have fun, but you know, it's the main thing anymore is just I just want to play ride and get a group of guys together, do some play riding, so you can climb the biggest hill, etc., etc. Have a good time. But yeah, all right, here we go. Let's go make some trails. Which way to go? There's spiders everywhere. Ah. So right now the plan is loosely to have this as like the work on the foot plant turn, because Lord knows I need to get better at that. Come up here, little foot plant turn. Burp, burp. I think we'll try to go right up that. Little sloop. All right, climbed our way out of that. Woo. So we're getting to what I would say is probably one of the first pretty hard technical sections. Found an Indian bead. Yeah, how neat is that? Yeah, here's I don't know if you can see it very well or not, but it's a pretty good sized downhill near a creek bed. But not a lot of good options to come back out of it, so this will be perfect training, I think. You can see there's pretty gnarly stuff all around, so got some options here. Let's see what we can do. Yep. All right, you're recording. So just stumbled across this big old log crossing. So that'll be a good one. It's got a really good off camber with a lot of exposure. If you fall, if you're going in the creek, like probably 10-foot drop. It's pretty awesome. Come around on a little deer trail. Come down through these leaves right here, and then this thing's almost waist high to me. You can see or not, but yeah, it's a pretty gnarly log crossing. So got a good one to practice on there. Woo! All right, now you ready?
Yeah, we're going left or right?
Right. On some crappy road right now. Got some oncoming traffic. Woo. Still doing 15 mile an hour, not too bad. Hell, I believe that's Mr. Sea High. I think it is. Not Geese Sea High. Oh, I don't know if you can tell how rough this is, but it's beating the crap out of my tuchus. Almost at the end of the rough road tack stuff though. Yeah, so see if we find anything else exciting. Woo. Oh, here's the junk cars. My favorite part. Stacking deep, selling cheap, boys. Hey, look where we are. Lincoln Log Cabin. Oh my gosh darn. Pretty neat. Hi, Dustin. Hello. Here at Lincoln Log Cabin, State Park. And we may ride up and try to see some of the cabin stuff here shortly. We're taking a little breather, stretching the old leg muscles. Good ride so far. Not too bad. Pace is a little slower, but again, we're trying to go for more distance, but it's going pretty good. Not too bad. Have to probably race the sun on the way back, so we'll pick up the pace a little bit, kick Dustin's butt. This is Lincoln Log Cabin. It's been a long time since I've been up here. I was telling Dustin, I think in 4th grade taking a field trip here, and that's literally probably the last time I was here. I don't even know what you can see. They used to do a Civil War reenactment up here. I'd like to come check it out sometime. Yeah, there's the old homestead and things. Pretty neat. Pretty neat, Dustin.
Neat.
Yeah. Woo. Just finished the road cycle ride. The pace started out pretty ginger pace. It was Ted's second ride, so he was fighting a little bit, but you know, he's out here riding. That's the main thing. He ended up doing about 20 miles. Like I said, he peeled off in Toledo and called it a day. I mean, it's pretty respectable 20 miles, and it's his second ride in 8 months. So again, kudos to him. Again, getting back out and doing it. Last 10 miles, I put the old hammer down. I'm pretty happy with the pace, but ended up doing 40.28 miles. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. In 2 hours and 44 minutes. So picked up the pace pretty big the last 10 miles. I was pretty pleased, but yeah, Dustin's coming down the road right now. Pretty stoked for him. Again, 40 miles, that's nothing to scoff at. We've been riding a little over a month now, really, so we're feeling pretty good. Enough sunlight, I may try to hop on the old KTM and show you what little bit of trail I have made so far. So we'll see what we got. Oh snap, here we go. We'll give the old KTM a good, really the first shakedown. Won't go too crazy. I mean, the sun's going down. I don't want to get out there and get super stuck or anything, but we'll see if we can't give you a good tour of the course anyway. Yeah, so what we've all been waiting for. Again, the suspension's not set up at all. It's pretty tall for me. I don't know. We'll see. But check this out. Woohoo! Bing, 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 bing. Yeah. Keep in mind, I just got done riding 40 miles on a bicycle, so I'm a little tired too. So I don't want to fall down and not be able to pick back up because I'm really tired. So we can't go cut around the course and give it a little tour. Had a little air on the tires. The dealership decided they wanted to put about 20 feet of tire in there. Yeah. The other thing, I don't have to skid plate or nothing yet. I want to get some protection on this thing. A little value would be destroyed. Man, rear brake's funky so low. Not well thought out on my part here. We're gonna see this part. We've got to pick stuff up, so we're gonna go this way. would come up this hill and loop around through here. Got a nice little clean trail cut here. I am not used to rear brake at all. I don't know, like my rear brake they beat low, but this is really low. Oh, so much torque out of this thing, it's ridiculous. Come down here. Bear with me, I'm tired, so this makes me feel really bad. Yeah, that worked out. Oh yeah. What's this doing? 300 above. This thing is insane. Holy cow, this is real thing. I don't even know I'm not clutching this thing yet. I'm definitely gonna hold off for a little while. I think it needs it. There's the spider web that's crossed over. Yeah, missed the rear brake. That's a solid stud. Holy crap. Okay, keep in mind this is not meant to be fast. This is meant to be hard enduro-ish. So they're already right past that guy. Yeah. Alright, here's a scary section. Made it. Man, holy cow. Can't believe I made it first try. God, this thing is got some torque. Yeah. Here's the exposure bar I found out. You don't really want to lock your brake up to go off that at all. We're probably going to go around this big log for now. I do not want to destroy the frame and pipe on this thing yet. So go around that. On the actual course, I don't know if you can see it. That's that big log we're crossing. It's about front fender height. When I get a little more acclimated to the bike, you just wait before I start hacking that bad boy. Go over here. The weenie line is over here. You ride down into the creek. If you get it straight out a little bit, you have to go that way and jump off into the creek. Man, this takes me used to. There's spider webs everywhere. Good grief. Yep. White hill. Holy crap. That's probably the most traction I've ever rocketed up a hill with. That was good. You come down. So there's the bits of tape I learned a lot. Got some work to figure out what's hot again. I really don't want to destroy this thing yet, so we'll save that for another day. For now, we'll cut over, clear out the other little line over here. Spiders are everywhere again. So here's the pretty gnarly hill climb. That did not go as clean at all. Switch this thing. Can't ease our way back down. Try her again. I'll these brakes are awesome. That second gear just pretty much bugging it, but yeah, we don't have anything set up over here yet. Kind of gonna try right along the ridge. We got this whole bit of elevation change to play with, but I don't know if you can see it, but down there we got all that to play with. Some pretty good elevation change over here as well. Woo, look at that turkeys. You see the turkeys? Running through the woods. Finally it's working. Got Cody for that one. And yeah, got all this to play with. Oh, look at that. Good kill it. That big ravine over there, you can see it. There's all kinds of stuff to play with. But yeah, I just maybe get all geared up to do this, but get safety first. Don't want to go too crazy and kind of show you the track layout thus far. So yeah, that's probably wrap up for the weekend. So I'm gonna go in, take a shower, and relax with my dog. Probably call my wife. Yeah, she's doing. Oh God! I'm glad I didn't go on the radio. That would have sucked. Yeah. Hopefully the next weekend or two, maybe get a couple guys out here to ride. Really breaking the trail. I got my hands in shape, especially having no automatic clutch again. All that clutch again. Feeling a little bit, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this weekend